Okay, at ito naman, sa lesson 3, factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. Factoring the sum or difference of two cubes is the reverse process of product of binomial and trinomial. So, ayun ang ating formula. We have x plus y and x squared minus xy plus y squared. So, ito yung ating i-multiply natin dito, no? The binomial and then the trinomial. So, ito yung ating maging sagot. X cubed plus y cubed. Then, meron tayong dalawang formula. Okay? Yung una, may kasamang negative. So, titignan nyo lang, kapag may kasamang negative, kapag positive pala, dito, ang sunod niya ay negative. Ang sagot niya ay positive. Yun lang. Okay? Kapag puro positive, ang sagot niya ay negative. Okay? Ito yung factors niya. Negative. Tandaan nyo ha. Kapag negative, lahat ay hindi. May mali ito. X cube minus y. Hindi, ito. Negative to, negative to. Okay. So, negative yan. Okay? Kapag negative dito, negative yung kanyang binomial. Okay? Kapag positive dito, positive yung kanyang binomial, tapos sa middle term dito ay negative. Okay, so yun ang tatandaan sa formula. So, kahit naman dito, no, tingnan natin. Okay, a cube plus b, positive dito, then, positive yung binomial, then sa middle term, ay negative din dito, negative, negative din yung kanyang binomial. Then, all positive yung trinomial niya. Okay, sa example natin, we have the, okay, application na tayo. A cube plus 27. It means that, perfect cube tong x na to. Tapos 27, perfect yan. So, ang una nyo titingnan dito agad, ay paano nyo i-factor. Okay? Paano i-factor out agad yung x cube. So, hanapin yung first term, yun ang, tingnan nyo, x yung first term, then, just multiply by the 3 times exponent. Then, kopyahin yung sign, then 3. Yung 3 times the 3 exponent, no? A, ang katumbasan ay 27. So, yun. Ito agad ay inyong maging binomial. X plus 3. So, meron ka na kayo. No? X plus 3. Then, balikan nyo sa, how do we call that? Multiplication of the binomial. No? Multiplication. Yung dalawa, i-multiply mo na to. Kapag ito kasi minumultiply natin ay minumultiply natin yung gitna, just multiply the middle term, the two terms, x times 3, ayan. So, you will get the x times 3. Then, the last term, okay, last term, 3 square. And then, first term, x square. Yun ang katumbas kasi. Just follow the formula. Kung gusto nyo yung surukatan lang. But if you want to multiply, no, yung gusto nyo mahabang method na talagang gagawin nyo, compute. Okay, pwede naman gawin nyo. Multiply by 3 times, no? X times 2, dalawang beses, no? I-multiply. Okay. So, dito, if you want to follow the formula, okay, so just get the cube, the perfect cube of the terms, no? X, then 3. So, nakuha mo na yung mga terms. Then, write down. Nasulat mo na, x plus 3. Then, yung trinomial, just copy the formula. Okay, ano ba yung first term? X. Then, the exponent, no? Write the exponent. Okay, then multiply the two terms. Then copy the sign. So that is negative x3, then plus the last term, 3 square. So yun mga shortcut lang na ating natatandaan kapag nagmo-multiply tayo ng binomial to trinomial. Okay? So then that is the factors. Okay? Ito yung mga factors natin. X plus 3 equals ito na yung tamang sagot natin na final answer. X plus 3 multiplied by the quantity of x squared minus 3x plus 9. So, yun. Yan ang madaling paraan sa pag-multiply sa ating topic na about the factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. Okay, so for number 2 example, y cubed minus 8 equals y cubed plus, ito na yan. So ito yung ating terms, perfect cube yan, then yung 8, perfect cube din yan, ito yung katumbas niya. So ayun, gawin nyo lang, exponent of 3, then, ayun, the same yung 8, 2, ang katumbas niyan. Then yun, first term, second term, o the last term, kopyahan mo na agad yung 2 terms, yung binomial natin, binomial, then copy the formula. Okay, so this time we are using the negative sign. Negative sign. That's why, follow the sign. Okay. So, that is negative. The first binomial terms, no? First binomial terms natin ay negative. Then, multiply by the trinomial terms, no? Trinomial, then, all positive. Ito na yun. Okay. So, kopyahan mo na lang yun. Okay. At yun ay, paano nakuha yun? Yung y squared plus y times 2. 2 squared. Yung ginawa natin dito, copy that. Nakuha mo na yung binomial, just multiply, square the first term, then the last term, square. So, then you will get the final answer. Okay, y plus 2, y minus 2, rather, y minus 2, then multiply by the quantity of y squared plus 2y plus 4. Okay. So, yan ang final answer natin. At kapag chinek naman natin lahat ito, chinek natin lahat by following the formula. Okay, nag-multiply tayo. Bawa ito, nag-multiply tayo. Minultiply mo tong binomial sa trinomial. Ito na sinasabi dito na the product, no? Product of binomial and trinomial. Ayan. Pag i-multiply natin ito na yung sagot. Ito na yung tinatawag natin factors. Okay? So binomial times trinomial, no? At bakit sir, ito na yung sagot natin? Kasi kapag tinuloy natin i-multiply lahat yan, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa binomial, no? Na multiplying the binomial, makakancel din lahat na nasa gitna. Kaya may iwan na lang a first term tapos last term. Yun ang kahalagan doon. Okay, kung gusto niyo i-check, i-multiply mo itong binomial sa trinomial, matatanggal talaga yung minus yun, subtraction. Makakancel na. The same din dito. Kaya yun ang kahalagahan by following the formula. Kaya maganda na sundin yung formula, gawin mo na lang, sundin mo yung mga sign, tapos exponent, kaysa naman yung i-compute mo pa sa mahaba, isolve mo na mahaba. Okay. So, pwede naman yung ganun, kaya lang, at the end ka talaga, no, after checking the solution, no, makukuha mo pa rin, ito na lang matitira, yung final answer. Maiwan na lang, 2 terms na lang, o yung factors natin. So, ayun, yan ang pinaka-lesson natin. We discussed the 3 lessons until the lesson 3, the factoring the sum or the difference of two cubes. Okay, so yun, that is our the end of our lesson in our week 1. Okay, so we have 2 questions here, no, about how to assess ourselves if we understand and learn about our lessons. Okay. At yun muli, maraming salamat sa ating pakinig. Yung kapag may mga nahirapan doon, just review o panoorin ulit ang video na ito para makuha yung ating lesson ng mas maigi. So ngayon ay Salamat muli sa pagkikinig.